rain or shine, dawn to dusk. Going to work is more than just putting food on the table. We go to work because there is pride in what we do. We hear the call, and we rise to the occasion. We don't let up until the job is done, till the last light of day, till we accomplish the impossible. And then we keep going. The only way to get there is with the right equipment, the best of the best, trucks that stand the test of time and improve with every generation. And that's why we've been building the world's best trucks for almost 100 years. Trucks with more possibilities to do what you love. Trucks that offer more opportunities to get the job done. Trucks you can rely on when you need them. We listened to drivers and designed new ways to make their lives easier and more productive. No matter what job needs to be done, what load to be carried, no matter what road to be traveled. So get to work with the newly designed line of Kenworth medium-duty trucks for every generation of worker. Fully customizable and built to fit your business and support your bottom line. With multiple chassis options and new seating configurations. All so that you can do your part in building the future. So that you can focus on the real work, delivering on time and on schedule. So you can stand back and say, yeah, I was a part of that. So that you can be there when it counts. We connect people so they can cross continents. We cross industries to keep the world moving forward. From the toughest jobs to the most personal cargo. Kenworth medium-duty trucks are designed to make life easy. Built to last. So yeah, it's not just work. It's who we are and who we've always been. The world's best.